This 2018 Jayco Melbourne 24K is a Class C RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 25 feet 2 inches in length and features a sandalwood decor interior, sleeps 6, oven, TV, smoke detector, awning, refrigerator, slide-out, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, LP detector, stovetop burner, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features rear bedroom. This 2018 Jayco Melbourne 24K is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.